Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and go to fan timeline down description of that video. So go choose the new trading style and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet a subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like this when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord where we're giving free daily signals. It's very simple, either to pass through our VIP or pass through the link which is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today it gives us here another green candle here. So now also the market is showing to us also we are sideways here, and as majority of you they know, Saturday and Sunday the market is going to stay here sideways. So for day trading there is no signals, only till early hours of Sunday, then also we're going to trade. But at this time there is nothing here. For long term, also we just break in here that inside bar we used to have here, that one here, break it here, and me I told you is going to fall down till down here. And also now here we are in the 50 moving average. Let me show it to you, then we continue. As you see it, also here we touch here the 50 moving average here till now we haven't break it down, so everything's still looking good here. We need to break it to go down here to 100, then after that we will go to the 200. That if it happen, so everything is still looking the same. And me I told you we buy 25% from our capital from 50 moving average, 25% from what it left over in our capital from here from 100 moving average, then 25% from what it left over from the 200 moving average. I think picture is too clear here. And another thing, let me show it to you here in the daily. Look with me here, guys, in the daily what we got. People they been with us, they remember that, but for those ones who just came now, also we used to have here a uptrend. Last time when we touch it here we buy. Now also we are in a very nice profit, and also we said that here like that we got here a up channel like that. That means that one is going to touch it here, either it's going to fall down or it's going to stay sideways till it will touch it here, and after that it will go up. So maybe we will going up soon. So everything's still looking the same. And look at the market here, what it's giving you till now. Everything's still looking great. High, low, high, low. The only time we doesn't give us another high in the previous one is that time here, but also we are very close to touch that trend line. Let's see if we are going to give us another high or is going to break that trend line here and the market is going to fall down. So everything is possible, guys, because those days you can't trust in nothing. And also we analyzing day by day. I think picture is too clear here. And another thing we got here, you remember last Friday what else we said here about the options? We came with doing that 2 levels here, as you remember them. But the first one here at 33k and the last one is it at 25k. And as you see it, we used to be here and the market fall down till here. So the market is showing here those people of option they being right here. Now let's see for that week where is going to be the option for all the weeks. Always going there to see where it's going to be. Here we are, guys. Over here we're choosing where there will be the strikes for the puts and the calls in the option. Now let's searching for how we started every week by the puts. So here is it in the money, then also we will search in here. As you see, we find a level here which is 27,500. That one is very close. That's why you see here a lot of puts here, but it's okay, we will put in that level because there is 0 calls here. So everything's still looking the same here. Now let's search for the calls to find a level for the calls. As you see, guys, we found a level here which is at 31,500. As you see, the calls here is 248 and the puts is 0, and those ones by Bitcoin, that's my huge capital here. But my picture is too clear here, so we got 2 levels, 27,500 and 31,500. So let's go in now to the chart to join the 2 levels together. Here we are in the chart, guys. We said the first level here at 31,500 like that. As you see it, it's being here. Then down one, we said 27,500 500 like that. Then we click at OK. As you see it, that week they make it very close because it's going to finish the monthly candle. That's why them they make it like that. So them they thinking the Bitcoin is going to stay sideways here, or maybe it's going to touch that 27k here. So us we still waiting what the market is going to tell us. So that the view for the option that week, as you see it over here 31,500 and down here at 27,500. Those was the levels. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Here, as we said, we got here the downtrend like that, and down here we got that one here in the 4 hours. So till now it hasn't breaking up and it hasn't breaking down here. So everything still looking the same. There is nothing new here. Only thing new here in the 4 hours is that one here. Look with me here. We got here a very clear double bottom. Yes, till now we hasn't breaking the neckline here, but we got a very clear double bottom, guys, here in the 4 hours. Even that one you need to be focused about it. Look at it here. Let me show it to you. You see it here. Now the market he tried to go up. Now we need to be focused about the neckline, which is here, if we are going to break it or no. Another thing, you can even draw here now like a small flag like that or like that. As you see it, even that one you can draw it here as a flag. If it's getting broke down here, we will enter short. If it's getting broke up here, you can enter long. But another thing, you need to be focused here about the 200 moving average, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying today here. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it came, it touch here, and also today we kill it, we enter a long because of that double bottom here. Then we touch here, we take profit. Now our indicator, it touched that wall here, but there is no power to break it. That means there is no bulls yet in the market. Only bears who still controlling. So everything still looking the same. Also, we're still waiting if we are going to fall down to the oversold area for us to buy again. Yeah, now everything still looking the same. The market is still in a very clear bear market. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long. Now it's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, we tell it to you. We said also here we are in a oversold area level. Also we are in a very stronger level, as you see it from here. Should we enter long if the market came and breaking that level here? Look at it, that level here. If it's getting broke here, that wage here, you can enter long again because our indicator is telling us also we need to enter long. But that one is just our oscillator. We don't need to base trading on it. Also we follow price action. Yeah, now also we got here another price action is a double bottom here. If it's breaking for us the neckline, we will enter long, guys. So I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. Also we killing it. We enter yesterday here a short tail down here. Today we enter here a long from here. When it's breaking here, tail up here. We killing it today. Then it happened here, that correction here, that one. Now the market he tried to give us here another price action here. You can do something like that. Look with me, like that, like a trend line here. And you waiting if it's getting broke down here. You can enter short. Another thing here down. You can do a level like that. Because the market he tried to give you here a head and shoulder, as you see it, very clear head and shoulder here, or double top here. Because if you're looking with me here, look with me here, very close here, that the first, that the second here, it's need that one to come to break the neckline, which is down here, for us to enter short, that for scalping and day trading. Or another scenario, it might from here, because even here you got another double bottom. If it came and breaking up here the neckline, you can enter long. But Saturday and Sunday, me I don't trade. I will wait till early hours of Sunday, then me I will enter. And here we got a trend line here, as you see it. Even that one you need to be focused about it if it's getting broke here, because if it go up here like that, it's going to give you here a very clear head and shoulder, guys. Look at it. You see it or no? So even that one you need to be focused about it. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.